In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter expenses in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, there's actually a few different ways, which I'm going to show you right now. Now, the first one is recording immediate expenses, which is like checks and debit, okay? So to do this, you want to go to banking up top, and you want to select write checks. Now, over here, you want to go to select the bank account. Of course, you can select the one you want. And then over here, you want to enter in the payee, or of course the vendor. So you can just select whichever one you want. For example, I'm going to do this one right now. And then I'm just going to click on that like this. There we go. And then over here, you'll be able to put in the date, to put in the amount as well. So I could do like maybe 10 over here. And then you'll see the address, class, and the memo. Now, down here at the bottom in the expenses tab, you'll also have to select the expense account. So this could be whatever, like it could be maybe like office supplies, rent, whatever. I'm just going to click on over here, and I'm just going to find something like telephone over here. And then you can add these if you wanna and click on save and close. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. Then the second one is recording bills to pay later. So here you can go to vendors, and then you can do enter bills up top like this, and then you basically have to select the vendor. I'm gonna select a random one yet again. These all are like this is like some demo test data just to show you. So I'm gonna click on, for example, let's just do I don't know, maybe this one. And then over here again, you'll have to put in the things like dates, you'll have to put in the reference number, the amount due, you'll have to put in all of these things. Okay, and whenever you do this, again, you'll have to go to your expenses tab, you'll have to categorize your expense, and whenever you do that, hit save and close, pretty much the same way as earlier. Now, next one is going to be recording credit card charges. So to do this, you want to go to banking up top, and you can do enter credit card charges. And then in here, you can just basically put your charges. So you have to basically select the credit card up here. And then you also have to select the vendor yet again. I'm going to click on this one this time. Then again, you have date, reference number, amount, class, etc. If I do like 30 right now, for example, over here again, you're going to have to come here, categorize this, and then you can click on save and close yet again. Okay, so that's the next option. And then you also can use bank feeds. You could go to, for example, banking up top. And then over here, you'll see a bunch of different things. You could go to bank feeds, and then in here you have bank feeds center, and then in here there's a possibility to actually do that as well. Okay, so you basically have to add to register, but that's kind of course one of the ways as well. So if you want to, you can play with that, but usually I just do it the ways I showed you. So that's essentially how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.